Hello everyone and welcome to another Weather Sphere video. There's a lot happening in and around the states, so let's get right into it. As we near the end of July and head into busier times for the tropics, the Atlantic is heating up on cue. Two areas to watch have been posted, but neither pose risk to the United States. The first disturbance has the higher chance of forming, though is expected to curve into the open Atlantic far east of Bermuda. The second disturbance is north of Bermuda, but is quickly making its way out to sea. Also shown in modeling, both storms move away from the U.S. mainland and out into the Atlantic. Moving to the states, as I'm sure many of you viewers have noticed, it has been hot, and abnormally so. Temperatures of 100 degrees or higher have been recorded in more than 10 states for weeks now, and the average temperature anomalies have been over 10 degrees above average in parts of the southwest. With the jet stream pushed far north, large areas of precip are forced to follow it, which allows heat and drought to build for a long time. However, a pattern change is in store for some. In the 6 to 10-day period, much of the northern plains and northeast look to see below average temps for a change, extending from Montana to Maine. Looking at the afternoon of August 6, a large bubble of relative cool temperatures extends across most of the northern U.S. The massive ridge that has been plaguing the central U.S. begins to break down and move southward during this time, which allows cooler and more stable air to pour further and further south. However, another ridge looks to build as we move into the second and third week of August. Taking a peek at expected rainfall during this period, much of the country should anticipate wet and stormy conditions through August 10, with the exception of the southwest where dry conditions continue. Modeling shows that most areas east of the Rockies should see rainy times. Looking once again at the El Niño, it shows no signs of slowing down. The heating of the Central Pacific Ocean, or El Niño, has progressed rapidly in the past weeks, strengthening even past many model guidances. Much of the northern and central Pacific Ocean is seeing sea surface temperatures above average, with the exception of near the Mexican coastline. Sea surface temps worldwide are very warm, with some waters near Japan, Russia, and Canada seeing readings nearly 10 degrees Celsius above average. Looking at global temperatures shows that a majority of the world is seeing above average temperatures, with few exceptions such as southern Africa, the northern US and southern Canada, and parts of western and central Europe and eastern Russia. Back in the US, as we are in the middle of summer, severe weather is expected across parts of the states. The Day 1 outlook for Monday gives a marginal chance for severe weather in parts of Arizona, the northern plains, the south, and the southeast coast. A risk of flash flooding has also been posted for areas in the central Rockies, Midwest, and Florida. The Day 2 severe outlook gives a marginal chance of severe weather in the central Rockies and northern plains. Flash flooding is also possible in these two areas, as well as parts of the Midwest. The only area outlined for severe weather on Wednesday in the Day 3 outlook is the northern Great Lakes, and flash flooding is once again possible in the central Rockies and areas in the Midwest and Ohio River Valley. As of recording, there are no risks for severe weather in the 4-8-day range. The National Weather Service has posted multiple risk areas for extreme heat in the coming weeks, most notably in the Southwest and Deep South. Two areas in the Midwest and Southeast are also at risk for possible heavy precip in the Week 2 period. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe, and leave any feedback in the comments below. Stay safe and weather aware, and have a wonderful day.